1 Chronicles chapter 9. After the exile, the people of Israel returned to the land that needed rebuilding, a land that called for faithful hands to restore its heart. The first to return was the faithful, the priests, the Levites, and the gatekeepers, the descendants who once served in the temple, now ready to reclaim their duties. The priest, son of Aaron, took up the sacred roles again, offering sacrifices and leading the people in worship, restoring the spiritual life of the city. The Levites, the guardians of the temple, returned to their task, maintaining the house of God, managing the treasure, and ensuring everything was in order. The gatekeepers took their post, standing watch over the city gates, protecting Jerusalem from threats and maintaining the sanctity of the temple. But it wasn't just the leaders who returned. Ordinary families came back too, each one playing a part in rebuilding their community, reclaiming the land that was rightfully theirs. Together, they brought life back to Jerusalem. Each name, each family, a thread in the tapestry of restoration, woven together by faith and dedication. In the return of Jerusalem, we see the power of preservation and the beauty of rebuilding, a story of faithfulness that still echoes today. You have a blessed, wonderful day. One day at a time, we'll get through the entire book of the Bible.